Right, welcome back. We're still in AutoCAD tutorial session 1, still Jonathan, and now we're moving on to the move tool. And I think I keep saying this, but yeah, essential tool. So over here it says, let's make a box and cylinder with these dimensions, and we're going to use this view over here. That's southeast isometric, that's SE, but yeah, southeast isometric. Go to 2D wireframe so it looks just like a little PDF over there. And it says make these. So I see a box and well, I'm typing box. So click, and first I'm gonna press this. Click on length, or I can type L, and so it asks me what that is. So according to the drawing, it's 10. Zoom out a little bit more. It goes across 3 and it goes up 6. Bam. Got ourselves a dimensionally correct box. And for the cylinder, I'm going to type cylinder, start somewhere. It says that the radius is 2. I'm going to type in 2. I'm going to go up 8. So it should look really similar to that. So now what I want to do is I want to move this cylinder's center to the corner of that box. So this is really specific. See my O snap here? I'm going to click turn it on. Make sure your center snap is on and make sure your endpoint snap is on. So we're going to learn something called the move tool. So you're going to select the object. I'm going to select the cylinder, press M for move, press enter, and it's really key for this specific exercise that you go from the center and you're going to click on the endpoint. Now it should look just like the PDF over there. Super essential, because what if I wanted it somewhere else? Let's say I wanted to move this, but using the quadrant snap over here to the midpoint snap. This is when the snaps come in super handy. So I'm going to move this back, right? So sometimes you might not have the center pop up. You have to go to the edge of the circle and then to the center. And then a little plus sign pops up. We have that. So now we're going to go over the distance and properties tool. This is super awesome in my opinion. So let's just check if we did this right. Go to type DIST, or dist, short for distance. I'm going to click on my first point and then on my second point, and it tells me delta x is 10. And I look at it, oh yeah, it's all on the x-axis, it's 10. Looks right to me, which is perfect. So another way to do this, let's say I did distance for delta y. Okay, and then let's say I did it, well, delta z, gives me that. But if I go from this corner to that corner, it gives me delta x, delta y, and delta z. Super sweet Pythagorean theorem. Super awesome. I can also go select this, type in prop, which is short for properties, hit enter, and it tells you the position, which is cool, but it also tells you the length, the width, the height. Super cool. Watch if I type in 9. Look at that. Super cool. It's editable. I think that's like the one thing I super like about AutoCAD is you can literally go into this thing and just type in, oh hey, I want it here. So if you need to make it coordinate correct, you can make it coordinate correct by either moving it or going to its properties. Close properties really quick. And so this is good. Let's say, I don't know, you have a single object, right? But what you can also do is, if I go open properties now, it says no selection, right? I can select 2 objects and it tells me I selected two 3D solids, which is really nice. So the reason why this could be handy is, let's say you want to count something, and let's say you separated everything through layers. What you can do is select everything on one layer. So let's say you have, I don't know, half-inch pipes, 1-inch pipes, but one layer is only 1-inch pipes, and the other layer is only half-inch pipes. Well, if you turn off one of the layers, you just select all the objects. You can count all the pipes, or maybe you have like connections or something. This is like a shortcut to counting. I think this is super awesome. It just does it for you. If I want to know the volume for some reason, you can go to mass prop, press enter. Let's say I want to select that, press enter, and it gives you this whole crazy thing. It tells you the mass, the bounding box, the centroid, the moment of inertia. I think it's super cool. But if you did want the volume, yeah, you could do that. But that basically covers distance properties and the move tool.